today's video, I'll show you how to add inventory in WooCommerce. Managing inventory is essential to prevent overselling and ensure your customers always know what's available. First, go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to WooCommerce, then click on Settings, followed by Products, and finally Inventory. Make sure Enable Stock Management is checked. This allows WooCommerce to track stock automatically. Here you can also set a low stock threshold to get alerts when items are running low, and configure a hold stock timer to reserve items in carts while customers complete their purchase. Next, let's add stock to individual products. Go to Products, select an existing product or add a new one, and open the Product Data section under the Inventory tab. Assign a unique SKU for tracking, check the Manage Stock box, and enter the quantity available. Set the stock status to in stock, out of stock, or on back order, depending on availability. You can also set product-specific low stock thresholds and decide if back orders are allowed. Finally, click Save or Publish to apply your changes. And that's it. Your inventory is now set up, helping you manage stock efficiently and keep your customers happy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more WooCommerce tips.